Hello children, today I am going to teach you rules of degrees of comparison. In previous video I have explained you degrees of comparison. And I have told you there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative degree. Now there are some rules to form the comparative and superlative degree. Let's see. First one. For more adjectives, the comparative and superlative degree are formed by adding er and est respectively to the positive degree. In comparative degree we add er and in superlative degree we add est. Student, for more adjective we add er or est. Simply we add er or est. Remember that er in comparative degree and est in superlative degree, like small, smaller, smallest, long, longer, longest, tall, taller, tallest. Next, second, for adjectives ending in e, the comparative and superlative degrees are formed by adding r and st to the positive degree. Why? Because there is already given e, then no need to add second time e. Okay, then simply we add only r in comparative degree and est in superlative degree. So we add only r and st, like pure, purer, purest, well, paler, palest, wise, wiser, wisest. As you can see here, students, we add only er and st. For adjectives ending in a consonant and y, we change the y to I and then add er to or est to the positive degrees to form the comparative and superlative degrees respectively. Students, when any word end with y and before y there is given consonant, then we replace y and add I and add er and est. As you can see here, easy, and before y there is given s. Then we remove y and add I and add er. Then easier, as you can see here, easiest. The same here, lazy end with y and before y there is given consonant, then we remove z, then lazy, lazier, laziest. As you can see here, there is not given y, in the place of y there is written I and add er and est. The same here, heavy end with y and but before y there is given v and v is a consonant, so we replace y and add ier and iest, like heavier, heaviest. But student, there are some words that end with y but before y there is given a vowel, not a consonant. Then what we will do? For this type of words we add simply er and est. Let's see how. For adjectives ending in a vowel and y, we only add er and est to the positive degrees to form the comparative and superlative degrees respectively, like grey, grayer, greyest, gay, gayer, gayest. Means if any words end with y but before y there is given a vowel, then we there's no need to replace y. We simply add er and est. It's a very simple rule, student, but remember that only this, that if before y there's given a vowel, then we do not replace y, we simply add er and est. For adjectives which consist of only one syllable and in a consonant and have a short vowel sound before the consonant, we double the consonant at the end and then add er and est. If students, any words and consist only one syllable and end in a consonant. If there's that word end with consonant and have a short vowel sound before the consonant, then we double the consonant, means we double the last letter at the end and then add er and est, like this. Hot, pronunciate this, it's a one syllable word like hot, then we double the last word is t, then we double t and add er, like hotter, hottest. Like thin, pronunciate this, thin, it's a one syllable word and it's end with consonant, then we double the consonant, double the n, then thinner, thinnest. Like big, 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 bigger, biggest, bigger and bigest. Next one is for adjectives that are made of two or more syllables. We usually add more and most to form the comparative and superlative degree. Students, we use more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree when we have two or more syllable words, like intelligent, then more intelligent and most intelligent. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. These words are more than one syllable words. That's why we add more and most. Like more beautiful, most beautiful, more useful, most useful. Next, some adjectives do not follow any rules. Yes, students, there are some adjectives that do not follow those rules which I have explained. They are different in all the forms. In means comparative, positive and superlative degree. We do not add er or est and replace y and add ir, est or double the letter. They are just form comparative and superlative degree in any other rules, means they do not follow the rules. You have to learn these words like bad, worst, worst. As you can see here, bad is the positive and comparative is worst and superlative is worst. Like evil, worst and worst, and as you can see, bad comparative and superlative degree and evil comparative and superlative degree are same. Good, better, best, ill, worse, worst. As you can see, bad, evil and ill, all these comparative and superlative degrees are same. Like far, further, furthest, well, better, best, good and well. These both comparative and superlative degree are same. Late, later, latest. Late, later, last. When we say latest, then it represents the time. When we say last, then it represents the position. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Old, older, oldest. Old, elder, eldest. These are the words which do not follow the rules. Okay, students, these are the rules 1 to 6, which by following these rules we can form the comparative and superlative degree. I hope till here you have understood.